World's most amazing road trip, the Atlantic Road in Norway. Sharp turns and wild nature have put the Atlantic Road at the top of the British newspaper The Guardian's list of world's best road trips. The Atlantic Road is a 8-kilometer long stretch of road between the towns of Kristiansand and Molde, the two main population centers in the county of Møre og Romsdal in Jord, Norway. The road starts approximately 30 kilometers southwest of Kristiansand and ends 47 kilometers north of Molde. The Atlantic Road zigzags across low bridges that jut out over the sea, linking the islands between Molde and Kristiansand in the western Jords. The Hustadvika is an infamous stretch of ocean, and when in storm it is truly dramatic. In calmer weather you might spot whales and seals, writes the British newspaper The Guardian. Chosen as Norway's construction of the century in 2005, the road links together small coastal communities. From the town of Kristiansand, the Atlantic Road is only a 30-minute drive through the Atlantic Ocean Tunnel. After passing the tunnel, you cross the island of Averøy with Nerves State Church, the very scenic west side of the island, and the incredible coastline out towards Hustadvika. The Atlantic Road has been awarded the status of National Tourist Route because of the architecture of the road, bridges, and the incredible coastline it passes through. There are 4 panoramic views and rest areas with facilities in bold architectural forms along the Atlantic Road. Here, you can experience both nature and architecture in great interaction. Some of the viewing platforms are also popular with anglers. There is a lot to be seen in this amazing road, from the Worves Stave Church to a view of the Atlantic Ocean with the whales, a rich bird life, and even spot seals. The impressive road skips nimbly from island to island across 7 bridges, the tallest being the Storsea Sundid Bridge. The Berms Cave is located on the southern side of the Bremneshattan Mountain. The Old Verns Rural Museum consists of 11 old buildings with a large and varied collection from different periods. This road would make one wonderful road trip. Isn't that so? Send us your comments.